Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the PHP namespaces. PHP namespaces, they allow for better organization by grouping classes that work together to perform tasks. Yeah, we can group classes using the namespaces. They allow the same name to be used for more than one class. Yeah, we can use same class name more than one time. That means using the namespaces. Okay, let's jump into the code example to get a better idea about these things. Okay, let's go to the other. Okay, I will create a PHP class called user. Okay, first thing is that before writing anything, we have to, if we are going to declare the namespaces, before other things, we need, at the start of the page, we need to define the namespaces. Okay, otherwise it will trigger the error like this. If we echo something like this, and after that, if we declare the namespaces like this, let's say controller. Okay, I think controller. If we declare like this, it will trigger the error because we need to declare these things start of the page. Okay, now here I will create the class called user. With inside of this user, I will return. Sorry, I will add the method called info. Let's return from it. Return. Uh, this is controller user. Okay. Now we can echo this like a normal way like this. We can create user object equal to new user, and we can echo this dollar user object info. Okay, like this we can. This is a normal way, nothing different. And also we can use the namespace to declare the object like this. We need to add another file called, let's say, info.php. Oh, sorry, rename it to info.php. Okay, within this info.php, we can include our index.php. Okay, now we have that. Okay, now here we can create our object using namespaces like this. Let's say user object equal to new our controller slash user. Okay, let's say okay. Now we use the here we can you echo dollar user object info. Okay, now we can run this. Let's say info.php. Uh, info.php. Yeah, here here we can see this user control. It will return multiple times. Why? Okay, here we already echo. No, that's it's returning like that. Yeah. Now you can see we using namespaces we can create the object and and also here now we use this um, controller namespace, and I can here and also we can create another. That mean let's say as an example we have a user class within the controller, and also another place that mean we have within the model. Then I will demo that as well. Let's create a model.php. Okay, we have a PHP. We have a namespace called model, and within this model we have class called user, sorry, user, and it has a public function called info, same structure. It will return this is model user. Okay, now we need if we need to use these two classes within the same file say in here, we can do with the namespaces like this. We can include the our model within this file, model model. Okay, model, and now we can do like this. Here we can use model. Okay, now let's go back to the let's see, call this br otherwise. Okay, let's go back to the browser and check what happened there. Okay, now you can see it will use the model namespace and controller namespace, and it will return the user information. This is the controller user, this is the model user. Same user class. That means same name, but different namespaces use the same class name. Likewise, we can using the namespaces, we can use the same name class like this. And also we can use the aliases for this namespaces. Using use keyword, we can create here controller controller as C. As you can see, I am using aliases for this controller namespace as C, and also we can model as model as M. Okay, here now we can change this to C, this to M. Likewise, we can uh, use aliases for these namespaces. It not change anything. Yeah, likewise we can use the aliases for these namespaces. I hope yeah that is the namespaces basic idea behind of the namespaces. As you can see, when it's come to the framework, you can see a lot of namespaces because using namespaces it will group the classes and it separate the classes. Likewise, we can use namespaces for it's really helpful to structure the code. Yeah, I hope you guys understand the idea behind of the namespaces. And yeah, I think this video helpful, and yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.